you want to clear the AMC exam on your first try? With thousands of IMGs competing, what's your game plan for Australia? Hello doctors, welcome back to MedPrep by Academically. Today I'll walk you through the most effective AMC preparation books that can answer your most asked questions and share real success stories. Watch this video till the end and I'll tell you how Academically helped top 5% doctors land jobs and get PR in Australia. So let's start with the first question. Which books are essential for AMC MCQs? For your AMC 1 preparation, it has to be the Anthology of Medical Conditions book. It's the MCQ Bible with 130 plus clinical presentations with ethics and Australian healthcare system insights. And the second book is the Good Medical Practice Guide. It's a must-read for ethics, professionalism, and legal scenarios in your AMC 1 preparation. These two books alone can give you 80% of what you need to clear in the AMC 1 exam. So make sure you start your preparation with these books. Now, the second question. How are clinical exam books different from AMC 1? Well, the AMC 2 exam checks your clinical skills and it goes beyond textbooks. Start reading the journal articles on Australia's common conditions. Pair them with the practical casebooks like Clinical Problems in Medicine and Surgery. And for clinical-based studies, focus on differential diagnosis, communication, and structured exams. Now, one of our AMC qualified candidates said, journal-based review boosted my confidence significantly. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 3. Any bonus reads? Well, absolutely yes. Grab Davidson's Principles and Practice of Medicine for deep understanding and Talley and O'Connor's Clinical Examination for exam-ready physical diagnosis. And for surgery, kids, women's health, pick one or two of the specialty books. But do not overload and do not forget quality over quantity. And here is our another video you can check on the 5 best AMC preparation books. And with that, the last question. How does Academically help you keep updated? Well, our AMC courses offers tailored book lists, weekly live question and answers with AMC qualified doctors, mock exams on clinical cases, and ethics coaching as well. Our candidates improved their MCQ scores by 30 to whooping 70% within 2 to 3 months of preparation. You can start your preparation with Academically today. Find the link to the courses in the description below. And a bonus tip here, strategy over resources. Do not get stuck reading every word. Use active recall. Take as many mock MCQs, practice OSA stations with peers, join study groups, and digest journal summaries weekly. It's all about smart learning, not book hoarding. That's the recipe. With the right resources and guidance, your AMC dream is within your reach. Want the full curated book list and mock exam access? Hit the link below for a personalized consultation with our AMC experts and join the ranks of top AMC qualifiers now. That's it for today. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.